Hi guys, Nate here. HBG updated again, and new finishers were added, plus an alt animation and M1S. And like say in previous video, it's still early access, so changes will be added. I'm too lazy to make a brand new video, so I'm reusing this one. Okay, now to the showcase. Hi again. In this section of the video, I'ma tell you how the fourth move works. To use it properly, you have to use a move before using Conjure. So to put it simply, this char can move stack, but also if Conjure was on cooldown, the variants won't work. You have to wait for the fourth move's cooldown to end. Okay, now back to the showcase. So that was the update. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry for the long wait. I'm going to continue adding updates to this video until Overhaul is free. Okay, bye.